ادعو إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم التي هي الأحسن. Invite all to the ways of thy Lord with wisdom and with beautiful preaching, and debate with them in the best of manners.
Ahmed Deedat destroys claim about Jesus' divinity in John chapter 8, verse 58.
Abraham was, I am. And then right after that, the Jews, the Pharisees, took up stones to stone him because he committed a blasphemy, claiming to be God Almighty. How do you answer that, sir?
Then before Abraham was, I am. I am before Abraham was. I am. I said, now how was he? Was he with God? I accept. He was with God. See, he was with God. I say, you were also with God. I was also there. Jeremiah tells us, God tells Jeremiah, he says, before you were in your mother's womb, I knew you. And I made you a prophet to the nations before you went into your mother's womb. Jeremiah. You read that? Jeremiah, God says, I know you before you were in your mother's womb. I made you a prophet. How? What kind of a prophet is this? Before he goes in his mother's womb, he's a prophet. Was he with God? Of course he was with God. In other words, in the knowledge of God. Jeremiah was there. Jesus was there. Muhammad was there. Hitler was there. Reagan was there. Everybody was there. You, me, everybody. In the knowledge of God. He knew long before, the creation of Adam and Eve, that there will be a night. This guy, Ahmed Deedat, he will go and lecture, and you, my son, I don't know your name, but he says, you will come along, and you'll be the first questioner. He knew all that in his knowledge. But you were not there in this form. I was not there in this form. Jesus was not there in that form. In the knowledge, everything was there. That is the all-knowing God. Long beforehand, he knows everything. You see? So in that sense, Jesus was there with God before Abraham was born in this world. Before historically, chronologically, Abraham came on earth, Jesus was there. In his knowledge, in his plan, he had Jesus there. He had Muhammad there. He had Hitler there. He had Reagan there. Can you see? Before Abraham was born, Reagan was there, Deedat was there, everybody was there. How? What form? Shape, size? No form, no shape, no size. Knowledge. His self-knowledge. He's omniscient. Do you say that? God Almighty is omniscient. He's all-knowing. If he's all-knowing, he knows everything before and after. It is to us before, now, and after. In the sight of God, there is no before, now, and after. It's all an open book. That is our understanding of the expression.